Namaste, welcome to FitNCalm. This is Tejasvi. So welcome to our day 2 of the 7-day yoga challenge for flat belly. So today we'll focus mostly on the core along with strengthening the legs as well as the upper body. So for this you just need to wear something comfortable and hop onto the mat. So let's get started. We'll close our eyes, take a breath in and breathe out. Now as you breathe in, lengthen the spine, become taller. And as you breathe out, relax even more. We'll open our eyes. And now come into the cat pose. So for this, palms are under the shoulders, knees are under the hips, and the knees are hip width apart, palms are shoulder width apart. Now breathe in, arch your back, look up. Breathe out, round your spine, chin to the chest. Push yourself away from the mat. Breathe in, arch your back, look up. Making sure your hands are straight. Breathe out, round your spine. Now breathe in, arch the back. As you breathe out, rounding the spine, go back, sit on your heels. Breathing in, slowly lift the hips up, arch your back, look up. Breathe out, rounding the spine, sit on your heels. Breathe in, arch your back, look up. Breathe out, round the spine, sit on your heels. Breathe in, arch the back, look up, lift up the hips. Breathe out, round the spine, chin to the chest. And once again, breathe in. Now we'll slowly go forward, bend the elbows, come into the Ashtanga Namaskara, lower down into Bhujangasana, come into the downward dog, lift the hips up, cat pose, breathing out Ashtanga Namaskara, breathe in Bhujangasana, breathe out downward dog. We'll do this flow once again. Come down. Ashtanga Namaskara as you breathe out. Breathing in Bhujangasana. Breathe out. Downward dog. Very good. And now place the knees on the floor. Now lift the right leg up back. Stay here. Lift the left hand up. Hold it there. Keep breathing. And also observe if your stomach muscles are engaged or not. Engage the stomach muscles, pull the stomach in. And breathing out, we bring the knee to the nose and take your arm back to the stomach. Breathe in, go back. Breathe out, elbow goes back, close to the stomach, knee to the nose. Breathe in, straighten with full control. Breathe out. Very good. Breathe in and breathe out. See if you can do as gracefully as possible. It's okay if you're shaking. Breathe out, in and out. In, hold it there. 3, 2 and 1. Relax. Place the knee on the floor. We'll do a cat-cow again. Breathe in, arch the back, look up. Breathe out, round the spine, chin to the chest. Slowly come back to the center. Now lift the left leg up. If you wish to, you may place the right knee a little towards the center for balance. Lift the left leg up. Lift the right hand up. Hold it there. Keep breathing. Breathe in and breathe out. In and out. Now slowly get the knee to the chest and elbow close to the stomach as you breathe out. Breathe in, straighten, stretch, breathe out, slowly come close. Breathe in, straighten, breathe out, knee to the nose. Breathe in, back, breathe out, breathe in and breathe out. Last time, breathe in, very good, breathe out, hold it here. Breathe in, breathe out, stay and relax. You may sit on your heels, rest in the child's pose. Now once again, come onto your hands and knees. Now lift the knees off the floor, stay here keeping the stomach in, engage, stay, very good. Hold, 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 hold. I'm keeping a count, hold. Keep observing at a point, feel that tingling sensation on the stomach. It's okay if you're shaking, I am too. And relax. Sit on your heels and rest. Now breathing in, slowly lift the hips up, come up, lift the right leg up again, and now we'll take it to the left side. Just tap the floor, come up and to the right side. Very good, take it up, back and down and up. 2, very good, 3, keeping the stomach engaged, 4, 5, continue, breathe in and breathe out with full control. You will also feel on your thighs. Last 2 and come back to the center, relax, stay there, keep the leg lifted up. Point the toes up, bend your leg from the knee, point the toes up towards the ceiling. Now lift the knees up and down. Lift the knee up and down. Right knee up, down. Look straight, keeping the stomach engaged. Very good, lift up and down. You will feel it also on the glute. Up and down. Once again, up and down. Up. Very good, good going, lift up and down, up, down, up and hold, up, and relax. Release the knee, breathe in and breathe out. Curl your toes in, come into the downward dog again. Lift the hips up towards the sky. Push the chest towards the thighs. Breathe in and breathe out. In and out. Place the knees on the floor once again. And then lift the left leg up straight. Hold it there. Now we'll drop it towards the right side. Come up and to the left. 1, back and continue, making sure your stomach is engaged. 3, look straight and continue. Very good, keeping the legs straight. We're just tapping on the floor and coming up. You can also observe the right thigh here, getting strengthened nicely. Last 2. Very good. Last 1. And relax. Now bend your leg from the knee, lift the toes towards the ceiling, lift the knee up and down. Up, down, up and down. Keep looking straight. Almost done. Up and down. Continue. Very good. Keep lifting the knee up. Feel the right glute also strengthening along with the left. 4. Very good. 6. 8. And lift up and hold. Hold, hold, hold. And relax. Sit on your heels. Rest in the child's pose. And slowly sit on your heels. Take your hands forward and we'll rotate the palms. Make a fist and rotate. Opposite direction. Relax, you shake your hands. And relax. And slowly we'll come back into the cat pose for the last one. So now we will slowly lift the right leg up from the knee and straighten the leg, hold it there. Stay there, 3, 2, 1, relax. Now lift the left leg up and straighten the leg. 3, 2, and 1, relax. Lift the right leg up from the knee and straighten the leg, hold it there. Stay there, 3, 2, 1, relax. Now lift the left leg up and straighten the leg. 3, 2, and 1. Relax. Sit down and relax. Sit in the normal sitting position. You may close your eyes. Lift the shoulders up towards the ears and down. Drop them down. Lift them up and drop them down. Once again up and down. Last time up and down. Relax. Feeling grateful for this body, for this practice. Observe your mind. You're happy and peaceful. We'll join our palms together. Rub your palms. Place them on your eyes. And slowly looking at the palms, you may open your eyes. So you can repeat this practice 2-3 more times if you have time and the energy. And if you like this video, do hit on the like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, do subscribe. See you all tomorrow. Thank you so much for joining us. Namaste.